Hey guys, welcome back to Release the Craftin. Priscilla here, with another unboxing video. This one is the Bargain Bead Box, which I am proud to report is still not a box. But I'm excited to open it. So, yeah, it's a subscription thing. I just started it. I did one last month, and then I did a video where I made some stuff with it. I would definitely check that out. I had a whole conversation about this escaping dye, about AI and how we're using it and how it affects, like, the junk journal community in, like, particular and stuff like that. So if you're interested in my thoughts on that, I did that in the video where I made this stuff with my bead box, last month in May. So this is June. So now we're unboxing June's, and I can't wait to get in here. I'm going to try to get in here without showing the world my entire address because I didn't work it out. But yeah, this is like a $20-ish, like $22, $23 maybe, subscription. And this is my second one, and I'm excited. I don't know if I'm going to do this forever and ever, but for now, and probably until I go like, oh, you have too many beads, and then we're going to stop. But I really like it, so I'm excited to get in here. It always comes in these like little like bags, which is neat because it helps keep everything contained. And then this is the packing slip with all the stuff on it and the prices and everything. And I will look at that afterwards. We'll come back and look at it afterwards. But the theme this month was Sunken Treasures. It says tossing waves and lost treasures combined in this eclectic oceanic palette. A trove of patina finished bronze pieces. That's exciting. Combines with gorgeous gemstones and matte finished crystals for a sea-swept feel. We love little sea turtles too, but as you search the ocean floor, beware the kraken, which is pretty neat. So excited. Also, they noted that the toggles have an antique finish, not a patina finish, so they're sorry for the label error, which is really cool. I really love, like, when companies are transparent and they're just like, hey, just so you know, we made a mistake and we're owning up to that, and it's not a big deal, because we're just sharing it with you. Like, it's not a big deal that it's not like a patina finish. It has a brass finish. That doesn't bother me. What bothers me is never finding out. That would bother me forever. So, we get a bunch of stuff in here. Like, the conceit of this like box is that you get like 15 plus ish items, 10 to 15 items, I think it's over 15 items. I don't remember what I said last time in the last video. That one was accurate. This time I don't remember it. I didn't look it up before we started, so here we are. Anyways, I'm gonna drop you guys down lower so you can see like everything clearly, and we'll see what we got. All right, look at that. So first up, we have these really pretty orange beads. This is 10mm carnelian faceted round beads. Ooh, and they are faceted. I'm going to crack them out of this bag. I don't want to crack everything out of the bag because that'll be forever and ever. But these are really pretty. Look how shiny they are. And they have a really great texture, like bumpy rocks. So they're not like, I don't know, hard cut gem faceted, but they do have little facets on them. And that's really pretty. Carnelian is really pretty, guys. I think it's really underrated as a crystal goes. So I'm excited. I think we've got it twice now. We got regular round beads, like little tiny round ones in the last one, and now we've gotten these like larger beads, which are really pretty. And then, what did we get? Ooh, look at that. That's pretty. Can you see that? That is an amazonite teardrop pendant. That's really nice. I'm going to crack this open too. Probably going to crack open all the crystal ones because I want to touch them. But look how pretty. It is really nice. Amazonite's really pretty. It doesn't, I don't see it a lot. But I do like it. And then we got matte faceted rondelle beads in teal. And I don't know if that's reading as teal to you guys. It's kind of green to me. Just green to me. It looks bluer on camera, I think. But it's very green. That's okay. I like green, so I'm not upset about that. And these are really pretty, and they do have a nice finish. My gosh, words are really hard. And then we got some Malaysian jade, which is just dyed quartz that's been frosted. I do like that they tell you when stuff has been dyed so that you're aware of like what you're getting, so you don't go, oh yeah, this is definitely Malaysian jade with no questions asked. But that is a really pretty color. It's like a really pretty oceany, like sea blue color which is on theme for the whole, what was it called? Sunken Treasures? Yes. And then we got, ooh, these are shiny. But also, like, there's like a matte finish to them. So there's like matte surfaces and shiny surfaces. And they're like that. And these are glass window beads. Coral orange. So that's pretty neat. And that's a good deal. You get a fair amount of beads for, like, the cost. Because, like, even the box I got last month, I did not use all those beads in all of my makes. And I made a lot of stuff. So we got some white lava stones. 15 inches, 6 millimeter. Look how neat those are. They sound and kind of feel through the bag like chalk, which is concerning to me, but for sensory reasons, not for actual quality reasons, lava stone is pretty sturdy, but that's really neat. I don't have any white lava rock, so that's cool. That's a cool find. And it looks a little bit like coral, so I think that works with the whole theme and everything. And then we've got these like big, I don't know, nugget beads? Yes, in fact, they are nuggets. Matte glass nugget beads, sea green. So these are giving sea glass for sure. And that's really pretty. I'm excited. And let's see. You also get findings and like stuff to make jewelry with. So that is also cool. It's not just all beads. But here are some bronze patina bead caps. And that's really neat. And it also tells you, like, if they're, like, lead-free or chromium-free. I had to learn all those things. But as a person with metal allergies, it's nice to know what metals I'm allergic to and what I can, like, you know, repurpose for other things and other people. But these are really pretty. I do like the patina on these. That's cool. And then there is a textured oval steel jewelry chain. I think you get a chain every single time because we got a chain in the last one, too. Although I like this chain a lot better than the last one. And this one I can actually wear. It's nickel-free. So that's cool. Fun. And then we got bronze patina textured bicone beads. I didn't know beads had such like specific names, but I guess that makes sense. There's a good category for everything. These are also that fun patina effect color. So that's really cool. I love that because it does match the theme, but I also just like that aesthetic in general. And then, ooh, lava stone nugget beads with bronze plating. So these have like, I don't know if you guys can see. Maybe I'll take these ones out so you can see it a little bit better. But it's just like the lava rock, but then they like coated it in bronze. Probably with just like a bronze paint or coating, not the actual metal bronze, because it's not, it doesn't feel metal, it still feels like lava rock. But it does look like, it looks like little pyrite nuggets, if you've ever seen pyrite. I have pyrite, I can demonstrate that to you right here. I'm gonna dust it off of my shirt, because I don't really dust this. But like, it kind of looks like this. So this is pyrite, which is just a metallic crystal known as fool's gold. Gold. That's how you say that word, fool's gold. My God, words are so hard. But that's what it kind of looks like. So I do like that. It gives that treasury vibe, that fool's gold treasure sort of effect. So that's a pretty neat thing. I've never seen like this effect on a bead, let alone like a mineral bead. So I guess lava rock would be a mineral. It's not a crystal. Well, I mean, sometimes it is, but it's not in this case. And then these are stuck together, so these are the ones that they said weren't patinaed, but they're just bronze toggle clasp. And they're like a nifty circle clasp. Nope. Just trying to separate it so you can see. There we go. So it's like a little circle clasp with this really cool design on it that kind of gives like ancient pyramid, like where you would go get the treasure from vibes, which is kind of cool. And then the bar to keep it closed. So that's neat. And then this one that was stuck to it is this really pretty blue color. These are crystal matte faceted bicone beads in capri blue. And that's really pretty. So they're like shiny but also matte. And I love that. But they're like shiny in a metallic way, which is fun. Also, they are super oceany colors, so that's really pretty. And then we got bronze patina ornate crescent pendants. We got these really pretty drop pendants. don't know what I would do with these. I'm gonna have to think about that, but these are really pretty, like really, really pretty. I can't wear them, which makes me very sad, but they're really pretty, so that's cool. I'll have to think of something to do with that. They'll definitely end up in like a journal or something like that, or made into jewelry to gift to somebody else, but they're really cool. And then we have glazed porcelain turtle beads, and these are freaking cute, you guys. I saw them already with my eyes. Look at how cute they are! They're just these little tiny precious turtles, and they're made out of porcelain, which is so cool. It's so neat. I also like that they're like a sandy color, because everything else has been like really vibrant, like really oceany and vibrant colors, but this is a little bit more muted, a little bit more neutral, so I think they'll stand out really well against all those like really pretty blues and greens. That's really nice. And then we got brass leatherback earring findings, which I could wear with a shell motif. With a shell motif? Oh, I see it. Hold on, hold on. Come on out. Okay. There it is. It's got a little shell on the front. How cute is that? And this is one of those ones that like you pinch kind of, right? I don't know what a leather back is. Oh yeah. There it is. I got it. I figured it out. That's neat. I've never even seen these before in my life. But that little shell motif is really cute. How apropos. Only a couple more left. We have these really great patinaed shell charms. Yep. Which I can wear, which is nice. I'm just going to be super excited for all the things I can use. For myself. Because Leo things. But those are neat. Those are really cool. And then we got some, like, head pins. These are brass ball head pins. They'll have a slight curve to them. I don't know if that's intentional. Maybe it's just my eyeballs. Maybe only some of them have a curve. No, it feels like they all have a curve. Which is interesting. But also, I don't have many head pins, like, of this size. I have very tiny ones, because I usually just make charms for junk journals. So it'll be interesting. I don't know what I'm going to do with such big pins. I'll have to figure that out. But that's cool. And then we have some Myphenite dyed round beads. I don't know what Myphenite is. I've never heard of that. But this is a nice size. It's a whole 15 inches. And it's a really pretty color. It's like this seafoamy green and brown mix. Which I really like. I like how natural it looks, even though I know it's dyed. But that's still pretty neat. Still pretty neat. And then last up, the coolest thing we got is this patinaed octopus. How neat is this? I'm keeping this even if I can't wear it. Oh, I can wear it. I'm keeping it forever. It's for me. You'll never see it anywhere else. It'll just be mine. Like, look how cool this is. This is fantastic. I don't know if you guys know this, but I happen to love octopi. So yeah, this is top notch. This just made my whole day. Everything else in this whole like box is really cool. And I love how everything goes together really well. I also like that, like, in addition to having a corresponding box, they still have some things that are kind of a little bit outliers in the mix, but they still go really well. Because, like, look how orange this is. Oh, you can't see because we're still really close up. Hold on. Okay, now you can see what I'm looking at, which is everything. Because, like, you have this nice, pretty coral color orange, and then you have this more, like, vibrant, like, reddish orange in the mix of all of these. Like blues and greens, so it kind of really stands out. So it has a good pop of color, it has a good contrast, especially for the blues. So I think it goes really well together. It's fun to have like a contrasting color in the whole mix, but it's also just like nice to get something unusual in the mix. Because if everything was blue and green, I'd be like, well, yeah, that's normal. But I like having the variety to choose from. So yeah, this is fun, and I'm looking forward to it. I have to think what I'm gonna make with all this stuff, and then come back and I'll make something later and do like another crafting chat. And we'll just talk about whatever wild hair I have on the subject of the last crafting chat. You guys asked me a lot of cool questions on it. You guys shared a lot of cool stories and stuff and experiences and opinions with me, which was really neat. A couple of you asked for follow-ups and like a continuation on that. So knowing that you're asking for that, if there's stuff that you would like me to answer or try to explain about AI in general or whatever, in regards to art, just leave that in the comments below, and I'll pick them up and add them to the next one, and we'll talk more about it there. We'll continue the conversation for as long as you guys have questions. Because yeah, it's something people should talk about. But yes, this is the Bargain Bead Box, guys, and that's a pretty nice haul. Let's see. They tell you the total of everything when they get down to it here at the bottom, so that's really cool. They give you all the pricing all here, so you have like a quick guide of everything you got, and then all the codes are down here. And then it even tells you that, like, it says patina, but it's really an antique bronze finish. But I think we understand that. But altogether, I spent, like I said, $23 on this, and the box was $80.30 worth of product. And yeah, beads aren't cheap, so like, definitely always wanting to be in my videos. Definitely, yeah. It's a nice value for the price, and I'm excited for it. I'm excited to see what the next couple of months look like. I think I'll definitely keep getting them through my birthday, and then we'll see how I feel about it, if I'm like beat it out or not. But that's gonna be it for me, guys. If you made it to the end of the video, I appreciate your faces, and I'll catch you guys all in the next one. Until then, happy crafting. Bye.